This poultry cage, developed by our company, is specially designed for poultry farms in tropical climates, optimizing the natural ventilation effect. Meanwhile, we hope that every farmer can use high-quality chicken cages at an affordable price. With its ultra-long service life, it is very popular in tropical rainy climate countries. Its structure is backload, artificial intelligence, fusion, electric control cabinet, automatic equipment of drinking, feeding, egg collection, manure clean. How to choose chicken cages, poultry farm equipment. Please contact us. We'll give you a variety of solutions for your selection.